Hello and welcome to Today at the Office. I'm your host René Diamante, and today we will have rain, snow, and steam. I will show you how to make snow tonight. It will be spectacular.
Yeah! Yeah! There you go. Here comes the fan. Here comes the fan.
Get out on this? I'm stuck. Okay. What happened? It got hot today.
So this is how we unload the fan for that little blizzard look with the wind and the snow. Yeah. Yeah, that's the boys with the fan. Just making sure that it works. There's one of our water trucks filling up right there. Remember Water in Motion, my buddy Phil Henderson. Yeah, great guy, great company. And here we go, the boys are filling up this hydrant right here. And they're loading up the truck.
We got it.
All right. You got that one filled up already?
We're both filled. We're ready to go.
Sweet, I love it.
See, now we got more water.
So we're doing a little snow dressing here, and as you see, I'll show you the process.
And here we are dressing some snow. And this is how we do it actually. We're a little wet down, and then we're adding a little C90, which is like a fire repellent. And that's how you make snow fascia really quick. And here we go, turning it into a virtual wonderland. So what we've used here today is called C90. It's a flame retardant. I think I said that before. We wet the walls, we put it up on the walls, give it that nice frosty look. And then we have, it's called snow cellulose. This is a mixture of snow cellulose and display snow. That's why you got kind of a couple colors. Then we dirty it up a little bit to give it that, you know, like real street look. It's a beautiful snowy day in Hollywood. A little steam coming up out of the grate in the alleyway. And it's raining again. Oh yeah, it's raining again. Look at that rain. Love it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice and thick. Gotta love it.
Rain showers in action. Look at that beautiful smoky look. We're in downtown China, huh? Look at that beautiful smoke. Got our lights set up here. This has been a really cool shoot. We're doing a little smoke, a little snow, a little rain, a little bit of it all. And here we have the big rain. Save the rain, save the rain. And there's that wet look that happens after the rain. We love it.
Well, thank you for joining me on Today at the Office. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.